Hello and welcome to the lecture video. This is my third video. In this video, I am going to explain what is rank correlation coefficient and the problems based on that. The Spearman's rank of correlation. So, the Spearman's correlation coefficient is defined as the Pearson's correlation coefficient between the rank variables, and it will be denoted by the symbol rho. Suppose we have the two variables, say x and y. Let Rx and Ry are the rank of variable x and y respectively. Then we'll take the difference, that is di, which is given by Rx minus Ry with the difference of the rank. Then the Spearman's rank correlation is given by rho equal to 1 minus 6 sigma di square by n cube minus n, where di is rank of xi minus rank of yj. That is Rxi minus Ryj. So let us see the problems now. 10 competitors in a beauty contest are ranked by 2 judges in the following order. Compute the coefficient of rank of correlation. So the first one is giving 1 and second one is giving 6 as the rank for the first candidate. Similarly, for the second candidate, the first judge gives 6 as the rank, whereas the second judge gives 4 as the rank, and so on. This is the data given to the calculate. Let's see the solution. It consists of the table of values where x, y, and the difference x and y, difference between the x and y, and the square of that. So we have the data 1, 6, 5, 3, that is rank of the first judge and the rank of the second judge. So when we take the difference of the two, what do we get it? That is minus 5, 2, minus 4, minus 5, 9, 0, 1, minus 1, 2, 1. So the d square value is given by 25, that is 5 square minus 5 square is 25, 2 square is 4, 4 square that is 16, and so on. We have got the d square values. Now just look at the table what has been given to us in the previous one. See, this is the table which consists of 10 candidates ranks. So we have done this. Next, let us do the calculation part. Given n is equals to 10, that is the total number of candidates. So d square summation we have to take. So let us do the summation of all the 25, 4, etc., which gives us 158. And the formula is given by rho equals to 1 minus 6 times of sigma di square divided by n cube minus n. Let us apply in the formula, that is 1 minus 6 times of 158 divided by 10 cube minus 10, which gives us rho is equal to 0.042. That is the rank. Next problem. 10 students got following percentage of marks in 2 subjects, that is x and y. Compute their rank of correlation coefficient. So marks in x and y, it can be one subject 1 and subject 2. So for the first candidate, the marks in x is 78, marks in y is 84, and the second candidate, marks in x is 36 and marks in y is 51, and so on. This is the tabulated data. Now let us look into the solution. X values, rank of R, Y, rank of Y. So now whereas in the previous problem they have given the rank directly, so the x and y were nothing but the ranks we have taken it. whereas in this case they have just given the marks. So how to put the ranks? As usual, highest will be given as the first rank. When we look into the X column, we have 78, 36, etc. In this, the highest is 98. So for that, 1 is the rank. Next highest, that is the second highest, is 90. So this is the second rank. The next highest is 82. So it is third rank. And the next highest is 78. So which gives 4. And 75, which is 5. Next 65, which is 6. 62, which is 7. Next comes 39, which is 8. And 36, which is 9. And 25, which is 10. So likewise we have given the ranking for the X. Similarly, the ranking is given for Y also. So when we look into the Y table, what is the highest value we have is 91. That is the highest mark. So for that the rank is 1. The next highest is 86. For that the rank is 2. And so on. 84 is the next highest, that is 3. 68 is the next highest, that is 4. 62 is 5, and so on. So rank of X and rank of Y has been given. It has been calculated. Next we will calculate what is DI, that is the difference of the ranks. So 4 minus 3, which is 1, 9 minus 9, that is 0, 1 minus 1, 0, and so on. Next, let's calculate what is D square. So D square is 1 square, 0 squares, 4 square, that is 16, 1 square, etc. We have calculated. Next is sum of D square. What is sum of D square? The total of this is 13. So tabulation is completed. Now let us find out the row value by substituting in the formula. So here n value is 10 and our rank is equals to, that is row is equals to 1 minus 6 into sigma di square by n cube minus n, which gives us on calculation 0.81818, or on simplification we can approximate to row as 0.82. Next problem. 10 competitors in music contest are ranked by 3 judges, that is A, B, C. Here 3 judges are there, whereas in the previous problems we have taken the rank of only 2 people or 2 subjects, like that. In the following order, use the rank correlation coefficient to decide which pair of judges have the nearest approach to common taste of music. Here this is for the first candidate. Just I will show this. For the first candidate, the judge A has given 1 rank, whereas judge B has given the 3rd rank, judge C has given the 6th rank. Here no need to calculate the ranks, they have directly given the ranks only, so that can be taken as X, Y and Z. So next we have to see the second candidate. For the second candidate, the ranks given by A, B, C are 6, 5 and 4. Whereas for the third candidate, 5, 8 and 9. And for the fourth candidate, it is 10, 4 and 8 and so on. So this is the tabulation that has been given, that is ranks given by 3 judges for various contestants for music. Now let us look into the table how it has to be done. See, this is rank. We compute row AB, row BC, row CA with the help of the following table, where D is the difference in the rank. So how it has to be done is, for A it is 1, 6, 5, 10, etc. You can see this one, A 1, 6, 5, 10, 3, 2, 4, 9, 7, 8. So these are respectively the ranks that I have given. You need not have to compute the ranks. So straight away you can take the data here. So we have taken the data for A, B, C. Next is D square of AB. Actually, directly it has been written. I'll just show you how it has come. See, row of AB, row of BC and row of CA has been calculated. So, when we do that, row of AB, if you do, that means D of AB. So, what will be D of AB? D of AB, if I calculate 1 minus 2, which will be minus 2. Next, 6 minus 5, that is minus 1. Next, 5 minus 8, which is minus 3. 10 minus 4, that is 6. So, likewise, D of AB we have got it. These values when I square, we are getting what is known as D square of AB. That is, minus 2 whole square is 4, minus 1 whole square is 1, minus 3 whole square is 9, and plus 6 whole square is 36, and so on we can observe. Similarly, DBC. What is DBC? 3 minus 6. Let me write here DBC. So what will be DBC means minus 3 plus 1, minus 1, minus 4, 6, 8 and so on. Right? So minus 3 the whole square is DBC square, that is 9, and 1 square is 1. Again minus 1 square is 1, minus 4 square is 16, and 6 square is 36, 8 square is 64 and so on. And now we will calculate this summation, that is D square AB is 200 and D square BC is 214, and same way with C and A when we calculate, that is A and C, that is 1 and 6, 6 and 4, 5 and 9, 10 and 8, etc. So when we calculate similarly DCA, I'll just write down here what will be the DCA. So DCA when I calculate 1 minus 6 will be minus 5 or 5. Next 6 minus 4 which is 2, 5 minus 9 that is minus 4 and so on. So what is the square of that? 5 square is 25, 2 square is 4 and 4 square is 16 and so on. So we will calculate the summation of that, which gives us DCA whole square, which is 60. So we have computed all the data here, DCA square, DCB square and DAB square. Everything we have calculated. Now we have to calculate row AB, row BC and row CA with the help of the formula. So what is the formula? Row is given by 1 minus of, row is given by 1 minus of 6 times of sigma divided by n cube minus n, and row AB is given by 1 minus of 6 times of 200 divided by 10 cube minus 10, which is equals to minus of 0.21, that is row AB is minus 0.21. And similarly row BC, so summation of D square BC is 214, therefore on substitution and calculation we are getting minus of 0.297. Similarly row CA is given by 0.636. So what do we get row CA? That is 0.636. And it is observed that row AB and row BC is negative. So this implies that A and B, B and C are positive. Thus we conclude that the judges C and A have the nearest approach to common taste of music. Next problem. Compute the rank of correlation coefficient of the following data given marks of 10 students in 2 tests. So these are all the marks, and for this directly we cannot take the data. We need to put a rank for the subjects and then calculate. So let's see this. So test 1 the marks, test 2 marks, and rank of the test 1. See, in the test 1 the highest mark given here is 65. So for that the rank 1 is given. Similarly the next rank goes to 56, that is the next highest, so second rank. Next rank is the third rank, that is 52, and so on. So rank of the test 1 is calculated here. Next, test 2 marks are given by 50, 35, etc. And in this the highest is 75. So for that the rank is given as 1, and the next highest is 70, for which the rank is 2, and so on. Next, D is given by rank of the test 1 and the test 2 difference. So that difference has been taken, that is 8 minus 6, 2 minus 8, and so on has been tabulated here. And then the D square, that is 2 square, 6 square, 2 square, that all this we have taken, and whose summation is given by 176. So when we calculate the rho value, that is 1 minus 6 times of sigma di square by n cube minus n, which on calculation we are getting negative value, that is minus of 0.0666. This is the value how we have to calculate. Thank you all.